Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz and I'm going vegan while doing things a little extra each time. Let's test some 3-ingredient vegan hot dogs today. Very intrigued by this recipe. It is by Upgrade My Food. I will have it linked down below so you can get the original details. It is supposedly a play on a Northwestern Indian dish. So I just wanted to give it a go because the vegan hot dogs that are available at the grocery store kind of are terrible. They just never taste very good and never have great texture. So I figured with 3 ingredients that are, I feel like most every vegan has chilling around, why not give it a go? So you just get your 3 ingredients in a bowl and literally just mix and knead them. That is it. That is as simple as it gets. The one thing you will notice here when I start kneading this, first of all, I don't believe there's ever like a time specificity for the kneading process. And so I just kept going for it. Maybe that was bad. This is a really sticky sort of dough, if you even want to call it a dough. It sticks all over your hands. And I wasn't sure how that was going to play out in the pan later, but it wasn't too bad. You just roll them into your hot dog shape and then you're good to go. I had a little bit left over that I wasn't sure what to do with, so I just left it as is. And then they recommend steaming these. I don't have like a traditional steamer pan, so I just threw them in a pan with some water, threw a lid over them, and steamed them for the time that they specify. Got some great color. I like a darker dog, so that's what I went for. A little bit of a user error here. I had my pan a little too hot, and so the bottom stuck. That is no fault of the recipe at all. That is entirely mine. Either way, these got steamed through very nicely and got some color on them. The next method that I wanted to try that they didn't even recommend was pan frying them. When before being vegan, when I used to eat real hot dogs, I loved pan frying them. I never wanted a steamed hot dog, so I wanted to give this a go. And as you'll see, I got some fabulous color. I really like a charred dog, so that was great to me. I was like, perfect. Maybe I'll get that like crisp around the outside, even though these aren't in a casing. And that's pretty much what I did. I got this like crunch all the way around. So I was very excited to try those. So these are our steamed hot dogs, a little bit paler in texture. And then these are our pan-fried hot dogs, definitely crispier in texture. Upon cutting these, I really wanted the steamed version to be a little bit fluffier, but that was fine because the taste was really good. There's this just like weird, indescribable savoriness to it, and then the ketchup sweetness that comes through at the back. And then the pan-fried version had a better texture. It's very hard to tell on camera, but it was definitely moister and fluffier, but the flavor was not as developed. More of that chickpea flour taste was still there. So it was this trade-off of I liked the pan-fried's texture way better, but the flavor was just not there. So I would actually continue to steam them in the future. And I look forward to playing around with this recipe and adding different things. So I hope you'll give it a try.